This is a capture race challenge for black. It repeats a very common theme throughout this playlist, and that is sacrificing a stone here on the second line, standing down here, cut, throw in, and figure out a way to capture your opponent. In this scenario, white will be able to connect here at number 8, instead of allowing black to destroy this eye completely. But still, black can stand down here, and white is very short on liberties. Black will be able to succeed this way. So number 1 is the only move. If you play anywhere else, white will occupy this spot, and this is a 4 liberties versus 5 liberties contest, and black will lose. So black must come in here first, allowing white to capture, sacrifice. I've repeated myself many times throughout this playlist, and it is a very important technique for you to use in these problems and in real games. So hopefully you didn't find this too repetitive, and I'm sure you got it right on your first try. So congratulations, and I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you for watching.